Hello there, how are you? I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Yes, today I'm gonna take you through how to create a bootable flash drive. Yeah, we're going to create a bootable flash drive. So please subscribe, comment and share, and also like for more. So let's dive into our video. Now first of all, we have the requirements needed. You have to be with this rufus, you have to be with the image or window file, and you have to be with a flash that is 8 GB and above, not less than 8 GB. Yes, because if you use 4 GB, Windows is about 4 GB. Windows is 4.4 something, 5 point something GBs. So we shall use flash that is 8 and above, 8 GB and above. Okay, here we go. You open rufus. Now my flash is already inserted in. You insert your flash, it will be read here and its size will be shown. Then you come and say and drag and drop the window file here. Immediately after you dropped it here, everything will be active. So now here GPT. Now this is file system, as you see, partition scheme. If your computer has a partition scheme for your Wi-Fi, that will be you use GPT. If your computer has BIOS, use BIOS, you put in MBR. So for me, I'm going to use MBR because of my computer. And then you click on start. Okay, and also here. Okay, yes, it will take some time, but we shall wait. And don't worry, I'll increase some speed. Yes, I'll put some speed so that we shorten the time. Okay, thank you. Yes, we are about. Yes, I'll also upload. Make for you a video for how to install Windows. Yes, I'll make you that video how to install Windows. You know what you should do. install Windows 10, Windows 11, videos to be uploaded, so on. Yes, we are about 97. Yeah, good. Now it is ready. It is ready for installation. So after you close, yes, you close here also, and then you eject the disk. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video.